Even with the creation of a special Manila Police District Task Force and the participation of the National Bureau of Investigation, 48 hours after the brutal murder of PUP Vice President Augusto Cesar, the authorities have yet to name a suspect.
Manila police called the murder the work of hired professionals. Police noted that the killers waited for their target and used only 2 bullets fired directly at the victim's head. PUP President Dante Guevara endorses this view.
I believe that it was intentional.
In 2007, charges of graft and corruption were filed against Guevara and a number of PUP officials, including Cesar, who was then head of the Bids and Awards Committee. The man who made the charge is Joel Escandor, then a student affairs coordinator for the university.
Malinaw na si Dr. Guevara ay namumuhay mayaman, hari dito sa aming pamantasan.
Escandor's accusations total 15 cases, which involve millions of allegedly misdirected funds. Escandor claims that Cesar attempted to cut the deal in 2010.
Kung po pwede lang, tanggalin na siya doon sa ipinal kong mga kaso. At handa naman siyang maging testigo doon sa kasong isinampa ko laban kay Dr. Guevara. Sabi ko, nasa korte na po yan, korte na magpapasya.
Escandor adds Cesar approached him again a week before the killing. This time, he offered documents to bolster Escandor's case, even if his name was still on the charge sheet.
Paglabas ko, nakasalubong ko si Atty. Cesar. Pagkasalubong ko agad niya akong inakap, mahigpit. Handa akong tumulong ngayon, may mga ibibigay akong mga dokumento na sa tingin ko makakatulong dun sa mga ikinaso mo laban kay Dr. Guevara.
Escandor claims Cesar was killed before turning over the supposedly damning evidence against Guevara. Escandor claims that the violence was not an isolated instance. In 2007, after he filed his corruption charges, 2 men in a motorcycle drew a gun on him while he was on board a jeepney. The same armed pair rode beside Escandor's taxi the next day.
Sa palagay ko yung dahilan kung bakit si Atty. Cesar ay pinaslang ay dahil ito sa pagsisiwalat na niyang gagawin hinggil sa mga korupsyong ginawa ni Dr. Guevara sa panahon ng panunungkulan.
Guevara has long denied the corruption charges. He says he knows nothing of Cesar's intention to present evidence.
I do not know about that. I have no knowledge.
Cesar's body lies in state at the PUP chapel. They may have different reasons, but both Guevara and Escandor say that the death of Augusto Cesar is a staggering loss to the university along Pureza. Pat Evangelista for Move.